Hello gentlemen, how are you? Hello friends, it's a very good morning. Well, today I am making a video on a particularly new subject which is affecting me a lot. In fact, not me, every one of you who is watching this video. That is post-corona. How is your business or job going to affect you? Or how is it changing? In fact, if you have seen, most of the people who are working in corporates, they have either seen a salary cut if they are at a higher level, or if they are at a lower or a mid level, they may not see increments for the next 2 years. And if you are in business, it is still worse. No sales, no profits, nothing. So now what do we do next? The corona is here to stay, because as the people are saying, the vaccine may take another year's time to come down, and even if the vaccine comes down, the antibodies that are developing by that vaccine stays for a maximum of 1 month to 2 months. That is, I take a vaccine for 2 months, I'm good, I won't have corona even if I go in contact with the infected person. But again, after the period of 2 months, as the potency of that antibodies decrease, then what happens is I may get corona from a corona infected person. So corona is going to be like AIDS, where you can control the disease but you can't eradicate the disease. It is there to stay. And then we have to do and carry on with our business. We have to earn money, we have to earn a living. So then how do we take it to the next level? Well, there may be many management consultants, gurus who must be saying do this, do that, but those are not practical. I'll make a very practical solution which affects each and every business of us. If you are a manufacturer, you are a trader, you are working, you are a sales, in anything you may be. First of all, when you are in business, remember, increase your geographical area. I'll give you a very good example. You are a businessman working in Mumbai. You are having a shop in Powai. So the maximum reach of your business would be within a radius of 2 kilometers around the Powai region. So now if you have to go post-corona, your customers are going to reduce around 80% less. So you have to increase your geographical area by 80% more. So what you do, you draw, if this is your geographical area, you have to draw a peripheral circle more than 80% than your earlier customers. So similarly, if you are a company which is catering to a particular state, Maharashtra, now you have to cater to 5 states. But again, increased business means increased costs. Remember, increased business, increased cost. If you are going to increase your business, you have to increase costs in manufacturing, you have to increase your costs in infrastructure, you have to increase your cost in human resource management, you have to increase your cost in marketing. The solution to that is the ERP, small ERP, which we have designed for ourselves. We can sell it to you also if you want. And if you don't even want to buy it, you can get a ERP designed by yourself. Design a small ERP where you use AI, that is artificial intelligence, through which you can market. Like we are doing marketing all over India, in fact outside India to the US. Now how many people organization we are? 3. With 3 people we are selling outside India, just imagine. And even in India, wherever we work with the top 10. Now that is the way we are doing. We have used technology to our benefit. We have a specialized ERP. We have a specialized machine through which we are doing virtual calling, we are doing virtual messaging. Also, we have another proprietary software through which we can hit 1 crore people a day on their WhatsApp numbers. So if you have to sell something, we can immediately shoot and go mobile through the WhatsApp. So you have to invest in technologies like that. Secondary, as corona increases more, the income of every person is going to come. That is the disposable income. If I had a salary of 1 lakh, I will be getting 80,000. So I have to cut down on 20,000. So the scissors or the chopping will be on the costlier things. If you are in a luxurious business, the chopping will be more. If you are necessities, the chopping will be less. But chopping will be there. So what do you need to do next? You have to move in the next level. I'll give you a very good example. The market leader in Walkman was Sony, as well as CD man was Sony. The music industry was dominated 80% by Sony through their Walkmans, CD mans and their other gadgets. Now there was a gentleman known by the name of Steve Jobs. He wanted to enter the music industry, but it was so competitive and the brand loyalty to Sony was so high, no one would have ever thought of buying an Apple product. So what did Steve Jobs do? Well, he changed the industry overnight. People still listen to music, but Walkman is not there. CD man is not there. What came in that place was iPod. Now obviously we are using a smartphone. Similarly, when Steve Jobs wanted to enter the mobile industry, Nokia was the market leader. It was very competitive. So what did he do overnight? He came up with a new technology, that is the screen touch mobile, and he revolutionized the industry and created a total market all to itself. Similarly, in your business, think that way. I'll give a very good example. If you are making utensils for yourself, suppose you're a utensil manufacturer. Utensils have a market, they have got competitors also. Now I'll give you an example of a very good company I saw, Bombay based company, iBell. They have innovated in utensils, a very rudimentary business. What they have done is, they have made a special utensils of 2-3 layers, where they have made it in a idli maker. Now you see, when I am making idli, I have got a problem. There you get ready-made idli making machines, not machines, utensils, which cost around 200, 300, maximum 500. Then again you have to put it in a pressure cooker. You have to steam the whole thing. You have to make idlis. This guy has come up with a idli maker. It is simply same utensils, and it itself is a steamer, and he has priced the whole thing at 1100 rupees. Now my calculation tells the cost of the product won't be more than 500, 600, but still I have myself paid 1100 and I have bought that because it gives me ease of comfort. I don't need to buy a idli utensil and put it inside a pressure cooker. It gives me an ease of comfort. So similarly, you look for ease of comfort in your business and how you are going to come up with newer technologies and newer products. So first, adopt new technology, come up with newer products, and second, increase your geographical area. That is it, friends. Just do it and implement in your business. You'll see the change. Okay then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.